99% of his wealth accumulated after 50. Buffett grew his wealth through time, not returns. Rice grains 10. A chessboard can cover the world. Exponential growth is a power, challenging your imagination. Most people answer incorrectly. What is compound interest? The system evaluates accumulated interest alongside the principal. Your earned interest grows by adding to principal. Returns create a higher base for future periods. Einstein made the eighth wonder. Definition for this miracle: those understanding earn, while others pay for a lifetime. The time factor is more decisive than return rates. Growth speed accelerates exponentially as investment duration extends. Calculate money, doubling time with the rule of 72. Reach the result by dividing return rate into 72. Professional compound interest calculation relies 10. Exponential math. Future capital depends 10. The initial amount and time. A retirement fund in Turkey accelerates growth with contributions. Automatic savings are the strongest pillars of disciplined investing. Small amounts not saved today mean future wealth loss. You will witness tiny savings creating micro-miracles. Wealth is thought to require a high income. Patience and consistency are more important than high salary. Real, long-term investment strategy ignores all market waves. A 20-year horizon minimizes the impact of instant drops. Nominal returns can often be misleading. Against inflation, Fisher formula shows the real change in your purchasing power. Positive real return means purchasing power is increasing. Gains above inflation truly protect your wallet effectively. Portfolio diversification builds a safe harbor by splitting risks. Stocks and gold balance out in different market conditions. Take 5 critical financial moves to become a millionaire. Clearing debts and increasing income streams are priority steps. Investment not made 10 years ago is astronomical lack. Waiting cost can silently destroy half of your portfolio. JP Morgan predicts S&P 500 will reach 6,500. U.S. economy will remain the global growth engine consistently. Value investing sees a stock as a business partnership. Calculating intrinsic value is the key to rational decisions. Entrust success to proven mathematical formulas, not coincidences. Discover the pure logic behind trillion-dollar decisions now. The 8-4-3 rule explains your investment journey. The first 8 years are foundation building and slow. In the next 4 years, you will notice the snowball effect. Accelerate returns start to outpace early gains. The final 3 years are the wealth explosion phase. This period, rivaling the total gains of all earlier years. Reinvesting dividends runs the money multiplication mechanism at capacity. Grow by keeping capital inside without making cash withdrawals. The interest cycle is an unstoppable force. Every penny earned works for you like a new worker. Never has been a better time to control your future. Digital tools made global market access easy for everyone. Cost averaging through regular buys manages market risks effectively. Lower average cost by buying more shares when prices drop. The ultimate goal, financial freedom, is possible through passive income. Your savings must cover expenses without needing your work. The simple yet solid wealth formula is investing more than spending. Mathematical discipline always stays ahead of emotional decisions. Waiting is not just time loss, but a wealth thief. Stop watching for perfect market conditions to take action. A steady investment growth rate carries your portfolio beyond dreams. 20% annual return can change the world in 50. Professional wealth management should minimize tax and fee impacts. Small commission rates create million-dollar differences over 30 years. Apple's negative cash cycle is a work of financial genius. The company finances operations for free, using supplier money. A strong economic moat prevents rivals from stealing market share. Brand loyalty and high switching costs are protective moats. Most investors think they must beat the market daily. Even Buffett built most wealth by focusing 10 few stocks. A 0.5% fund fee can hinder growth. After 30 years, this difference becomes $1 million loss. The mechanism transferring money from impatient to patient is markets. Watch companies grow instead of spending time at screens. Risk is a dangerous situation rising from not knowing. Information and data-based analysis eliminate uncertainty completely. A 20-year-old investor is wealthier than a 40-year-old. The 20-year gap far exceeds the initial principal amount. Wealth's secret is hidden in pure math behind trillions. Become a financial playmaker by focusing 10. Balance sheet strength. Market fluctuations are just an opportunity for long-term. Investors panic during drops causes loss by forfeiting the compound effect. People make mistakes thinking inflation only raises prices. Inflation is actually a monster, silently destroying future purchasing power. Automatic payment orders are the biggest barrier to mistakes. Grow wealth regularly by delegating discipline to the machines. 90% of Buffett's portfolio is in few sectors. Over-diversification is a protection method used by the clueless. Net worth calculation is real assets remaining after debt. Keep debt levels minimal for achieving millionaire status effectively. The tech giants return 10. Capital is at 150%. The company produces massive new profits with every capital unit. Waiting just 5 years costs $22,000. Eventually, the early bird gets the worm is financial math. Some individuals think active trading will earn them much more. Data shows index funds beat most professionals in long term. Warren Buffett earned 97% of his wealth after age 60. Momentum created at the end is an incredible growing power. Real success is about creating options, not just numbers. Take the right step today to leave a legacy. Rice reaches 1,000,010. The board's 20th square. Never be fooled by the initial slowness of exponential increase. Those waiting to be rich to save never get rich. Starting with small amounts is the most critical, mandatory step. High nominal return can turn negative in high inflation. Every investment without calculating real gain is a hidden loss. The bank expects Fed to cut rates by 100 points. Easing monetary policy creates new opportunities for the stock markets. The giant's strength passed the 9 criteria Petatroski test. An 8-point financial structure proves perfect cash flow results. Create your own wealth plan and proceed by staying loyal. Journey begins with one step and reaches victory through consistency. Create a shield against inflation to protect your money. Your patience is the only power to grow savings exponentially. Take strategic decisions today to take control of your future. Never forget that time is your greatest ally in investing. You now know the universe's strongest secrets in full detail. Start building your own empire immediately using these mathematical facts. Every second you wait reduces your chance of becoming wealthy. Act now to make that first life-changing investment today. Subscribe now. Add value to yourself.